Newburgh, New York, Copart. Pick up this M37. I basically purchased for a YouTube subscriber of mine, and he was going through some stuff, and basically it was getting late fees on it and storage fees, so I didn't really want no storage fees, so I just ended up taking the project on myself. And now I'm on my way to pick it up now. I'm on my way to Newburgh. The car is not bad. Like, he did a good pick, I'm not gonna lie. He definitely did a good pick, but it's just, for me, the reason why the deal didn't go through as planned is because, like, I can't really have storage and late fees on my account like that. So I basically just took it on myself, the project. Now I'm going to pick it up now. I ordered the headlight already. The headlight, it was really hard to source, but I had sourced the headlight from China or Japan or something like that for the Nissan Fuga, it's called, I believe. And it's basically the same thing as the M37, but it's just the Chinese version. So I got the headlight from there, a clean headlight for the passenger side, for $400. And all I have to do left is just really get a bumper for it. The bumper, I'm trying to find now. So if you guys see a bumper online, or you guys see a M37 bumper, or you know anybody that has one extra for sale, let me know, and we can work out an arrangement to get that bumper locked in. Right now, I got the trailer from U-Haul, and I'm on my way now to get it from Copart. I'm gonna show you guys the car when I get there. But everything is good. And the Audi, I sold the Audi, but I didn't really have too much footage, so I didn't really post it. But I sold it for basically, let's say double. You know what I mean? Let's just say double or something like that. I sold the Audi ASAP. Somebody came and snatched it up. So that's gone. I didn't make a video too long on that, so I'm just gonna give you guys the update here that the Audi is sold. It was definitely a nice Audi though. It definitely came out good for that little few days. I'm gonna try to finish this M37 by the end of the month, hopefully. Got a few days left into the end of the month, so let's try to get this thing finished, man. So I'm gonna pick it up now, and I'll catch you guys at Newburgh Copart. Peace, thanks for watching. Hold on, make sure you hit that subscribe button. We have 600 subscribers. We have 602 right now, to be exact. Yo, make sure y'all like, subscribe, comment. Make sure y'all share it out too. Let's get me to 1,000 subscribers. It's past due. 30-something, 40-something videos dropped. I gotta drop more, stay consistent, I know. But it's just, you guys, when you guys subscribe and I get more subscribers, it makes me want to continue to do it. At least so I can get monetized, so, you know, we can start making some money on YouTube. And let's do it, man. Let's get it done, man. Make sure you share it to your friends. Make sure, you know what I mean, you repost, or, you know what I mean, show love. Shout me out, show love, man. Thank you for watching. Let's get it. Copart Newburgh next. Right now we pulling up at Copart Newburgh. Shout out to Copart Newburgh. That's where we at with it right now, man. We here. Copart Newburgh. Shout out to y'all. First time here. I know they got a lot of stuff in here, man. I gotta come back and do a walk around one time. One time. I'm gonna go inside, y'all. Well, I don't gotta pay for the car, but I gotta get the paperwork. So I'll see you guys in a second. Peace. Wow, look how this is. There's a whole bunch of cars like down in like a downhill. Crazy. Come on, see the road. It's just crazy. Downhill roller coaster. Oh, look at that, y'all. We got a Lambo, Lamborghini Gallardo, Porsche. Got some dirt bikes over there. Not bad, not bad. Look at that Rari. Wow, look at that Acura NSX, is it? You got a few toys in there, Porsche. You got another Huracan over there, a green one. Aston Martin. Guess this is where you get loaded at. But this is crazy, like, what the hell kind of mess is going on here? How do we get loaded over here? Slush right here. So now we're waiting to get loaded up. We here now. There's a lot of snow on the floor, slushy. It's crazy. But we gonna get this car. I've been here for like 2 hours already though, man. That's the only thing, waiting and stuff like that. I hate to be waiting around like for my car. I'll let you guys know when the car comes. We here. Copart Newburgh, New York. Let's get it. Alright, Bubba. Hold on, don't hang up on me. I'm about to get this car real fast. Alright. Don't hang up, stay on the phone, brother. So this is it here, man. My feet is getting wet, man. Looks good. Let me see if it stuns. See, we got power. We got power, no power? Okay, no power. Fuck, the hood is... What, just throw it on there? Yeah, just throw it on there. Fuck it. I was going to just start it up for you guys, but he going to throw it on there. You know what I mean? I would rather just have him throw it on there instead of me having to start it up and drive it up. Got the big Bertha out, man. Scratch right here. Just let me lock this up. Oh, let me get my gloves. Hold on, D. I'm fucking loading this car, bro. Don't hang up on me.
Yeah, I already know. What you picked up?
It's snowing. I got an Infinity. I mean, it's snow. It ain't snowing, but it's snow on the floor. You feel me? Strap down. Little bumper came off right here. Pop that back in. Hit that back out. Shit is clean though. Look at that jump. Fender's good. Hood. Alright. Shut this with that. Hold on. feet is freaking soaked. I should have put some boots on. Shit. Throw this joint in. Throw the e-brake on. That e-brake at? This is a power e-brake. Oh, I already got the e-brake on. Woo! Off to the races, y'all. Infinity M37 Part 2. This is what you call that. Sheesh. Alright guys, so let me hit the road with this thing. My feet are soaked right now. And let me get to the shop. So I'm gonna catch you guys at the shop. Thank you for watching. Negative. Positive. I ain't seen you here in a minute. I'll be coming in and out.
Yeah, cold days. I didn't come when it first started getting cold.
Yeah. She started. See if it's done. Ooh, baby. First start. Oh, look at that camera. Oh. So we got it in the shop, y'all. It's lit. Oh, shit. Let's cut her off. Give me a second, I'm gonna look over it in a second. Let me fix this truck up. Thank you for watching this video. I'm calling it a night today. I dropped it off. It was a long drive back and forth. So I'm calling it a night tonight. And I'm gonna get back into it tomorrow and begin to like disassemble everything, probably wash it off and like really, you know, go through the car and see what it is that it needs so I can begin to order. But so far so good. It looks good. It turned right on off the trailer after we got the hood open and started right up. So that's good. That's the first thing out the way. Started right up. And now we just gotta fix cosmetic stuff. I know it drives good. We just gotta fix cosmetic stuff. So we're gonna get back to it tomorrow. And I'll catch you guys in the next video. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you hit that like button if you're new to the channel. We're trying to get to 1,000 subscribers, so let's get it. Let's get to 1,000. Thank you. Peace.